Cryptocurrencies have seen tremendous fluctuations in price over the last 12 months. As of late, the majority of altcoins are struggling to maintain their values. In fact, there was a time BTC was up by around 250%. This incredible price rise inspired many to invest in digital currency for the first time. However, many speculators believe this is just the beginning for cryptocurrencies. As an investment tool and a way of buying things online, it is not hard to see why so many people are getting involved. The market is only set to get even more exciting as more institutional investors enter the space, with an ever-increasing number of new coins launching each day. With that in mind, let's take a look at reasons why Bitcoin may or may not continue its bull run. Over the past few years, cryptocurrency prices have soared as more people have become aware of and excited by the idea of digital assets. However, there are some signs that this upward trend is beginning to slow down. For example, most altcoins experienced a significant decrease in July of last year. This was likely due to a string of negative news stories that painted a much bleaker picture for the crypto space. As is often the case, the price of Bitcoin performed relatively well in this overall bear market. However, the price of BTC has only grown very little since then. Clearly, this indicates that Bitcoin is not immune to market sentiment. If the general public begins to lose interest in cryptocurrencies, then BTC could suffer significant losses. With uncertainty mounting in the financial sector and increasing political uncertainty, it is not hard to see why investors are becoming increasingly uncertain about the future of Bitcoin. Many believe that the price of Bitcoin will increase by around 5% every 24 hours. Therefore, they buy the asset on the day it goes up and leave it to increase by 5% in the days that follow. There are several issues with this type of speculation. First and foremost, there is nothing to back up these predictions. There is no way to know whether the price of Bitcoin will increase by 5% or 10% in the days ahead. Furthermore, it is not hard to see how speculation could lead to instability in the market. If one investor buys Bitcoin on the day it is trading at $10,000 and another buys the same day at $10,210, then there is an increased chance of a collapse. It is also important to note that this type of speculation is already playing a key role in Bitcoin's price decline. Many altcoin investors are dumping their coins as Bitcoin skyrockets. In that sense, Bitcoin is becoming more unstable as it becomes more popular. Crypto trading has a Wild West nature to it. There are countless stories about investors who have lost large sums of money due to scams, hacks, and poor trading strategies. There are also people who have profited from these methods. The problem is that there is few oversight or regulation in place to protect consumers. This has led to a trading environment where anything goes. This is a key reason why some believe Bitcoin may have other contenders as a dominant cryptocurrency, even though it is the gold standard for cryptocurrencies for now. Due to an increasing number of people investing in new coins and tokens, ICOs have been formed as an end result. Unfortunately, most of these ICOs are either scams or have little to no chance of delivering on their promises. The total amount of funds collected through ICOs is around $5.5 billion. Although this is a significant figure, it is also insignificant compared to the total value of all cryptocurrencies. This is likely to have a significant impact on the market as new coins launch each day. With so many ICOs that have failed to deliver on their promises, investors are likely to become progressively more selective. The SEC also has a huge role to play in the way Bitcoin is developing. This is because no SEC-approved ETFs currently trade on the market. There are several ETFs that are waiting for approval. However, many of these ETFs are backed by coins that are not expected to survive for long. There is an Ethereum ETF that is backed by coins that are expected to fluctuate at around 80% over the next 12 months. It is only a matter of time before the SEC approves an ETF that is backed by Bitcoin. Once this happens, it is likely that Bitcoin prices will skyrocket. There is speculation in the market, but most investors are aware of the fact that there is risk involved. This will play a key role in protecting institutions from any significant losses. With more big-name investors getting involved, a greater chance of the overall market experiencing significant price changes. Institutional investors are likely to protect their reputation by buying into the most reputable cryptocurrencies. Although, many smaller-scale investors may not do the same thing. This is likely to lead to significant price rises for key cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. All this news can be exciting for investors, especially new investors. However, no one knows what the future will bring. As always, stay tuned to our channel for more of your crypto and finance news.